The track laying work for the Hotan-Ruoqiang Railway was completed on Monday morning in Minfeng County in Xinjiang, China. The railway is the final section of the Taklimakan Desert Railway loop line. Construction on the Hotan-Ruoqiang Railway started in December 2018. As a key national railway project extending over 825 kilometers, it links up Hotan City in Hotan Prefecture with Ruoqiang County in Baigao Mongolian Autonomous Prefecture. When the railway goes into operation, it will fully encircle the Taklimakan Desert when connected with a number of existing railways.
河若铁路最主要的特点，就是在沙漠当中修铁路，在全长825公里的范围内，有630多公里都是在沙漠和戈壁之中，占整个线路的全长75%。我们全线呢，就是芦苇草方格呢，大概是5000多万平方。这个种植的植物呢，总共1296万多株。
The Hotan-Ruoqiang Railway is expected to open in June 2022. It's an important regional railway included in the National Medium and Long-Term Railway Network Plan.